Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful heart pattern. For this project I am using a 5mm crochet hook size and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot, and then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and then 15. So these are the 15 base chains for this project. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 to start our first round, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 4th chain from the hook and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain and draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Make another double crochet stitch into the same chain and we have 4 double crochet stitches including our first 3 chains. Now go into the second chain, make 1 double crochet stitch, go into the 3rd chain, make 1 double crochet stitch, then go into the 4th chain and make 1 double crochet stitch. Now go into the 6th chain, make 1 double crochet, then into the next chain, we would change our pattern, pull the yarn through 2 loops and leave the other 2. This is unfinished double crochet. Go into the next chain, which is the 8th chain, and make unfinished half double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and leave the other 2. Go into the 9th chain and make unfinished double crochet, and then go into the 10th chain and make unfinished double crochet, and in this way we would make total of 5 unfinished double crochet stitches. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all together to make double crochet 5 together. After that, go into the next chain, make 1 double crochet stitch, go into the next chain, make 1 double crochet stitch. This is simple double crochet 2 after double crochet 5 together, then double crochet 3 into the next chain, double crochet 4 into the next chain, and then here is our last chain. Go into this last chain, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and last one is double crochet 7. So in this last chain we have 7 double crochet stitches. Now we would start working from the opposite side. So take this yarn end inside our work so that we don't have to weave it separately, and make double crochet from the opposite side into the same chain, make 1 double crochet in each of the base chain, in these 5 double crochet together stitch. In the first 2, make simple double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 in the first one, double crochet 2 in the second, and here is our middle double crochet together stitch, and we would make an increase from this side. You can see it in this pattern. Stitches are decreased from one side and increased from the other side. So in this middle together stitch, which is the third stitch, we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, just to get a heart shape. Now just cut this yarn strand which we have woven inside our stitches and start working from next stitches. Make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet together stitch, make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet together stitch also, and then make double crochet in each of the double crochet stitches next, except the last one. And here is our last chain. In this chain, to get a round shape from here, we would make 3 double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3, because including first 3 chains we have 4 double crochet stitches in the starting of this round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and our first round is completed. You can see the heart shape from this first round. Now make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet in every round, and then into the same chain 3 where we have made our slip stitch, make a double crochet, then make double crochet 1 into the next stitch, and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, into the next stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Remember we have 4 stitches including 3 chains from this side, and we would make 2 double crochet stitches including first 3 chain in each of them. So here is our last increasing stitch, make 2 double crochet in them, and we have 4 stitches which have 2 double crochet stitches. Now make double crochet 1 in the next stitch, make double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and after these 2 simple stitches we would make a double crochet 5 together in these next 5 stitches. So start working from these 2 stitches before our double crochet 5 together stitch of previous round. I have made double crochet unfinished 3 times here. Now make 2 more times These are 4 unfinished double crochet stitches, and this is our final unfinished double crochet stitch. Now we have 5 unfinished double crochet stitches. So finish them together by pulling the yarn through all loops and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and after these 2 stitches again we have stitches. These are 7 stitches to get the round shape of heart from this side. So these are our increasing stitches. Make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into this first stitch. You can use a stitch marker also if you want to identify these stitches. This is our increased stitch second time. It's the third time. Now into the fourth stitch make 2 double crochet stitches, then make 2 double crochet stitches into the fifth stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches into the sixth one, and then into the seventh one. So we have total of 7 increasing stitches here. Now from the next simple stitch we would start making simple double crochet stitches. So make simple double crochet 1, then simple double crochet 2 into the next stitch, double crochet 3 into the next stitch, double crochet 4 into the next stitch, then double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, and after these 8 double crochet stitches you can see in these 5 stitches which are increasing stitches to make a corner of heart. This is our middle stitch, which is third stitch in between these 5. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5 in it to get a corner of heart. Now from the next stitches again start making double crochet in each of them. So make double crochet 1 in the next, double crochet 2 in the next, double crochet 3 in the next, then make double crochet 4 into the fourth stitch, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8. After these 8 stitches now we have 3 stitches here to get a round shape from this side. These are also our increasing stitches. So make double crochet 1, then 1 double crochet 2 into this same stitch, into the next one make 2 double crochet stitches, then into this last stitch make 2 double crochet stitches, to get a round shape from this side. So now make a slip stitch into the third chain and our second round is also completed. Now we would start the third round. So make 3 chains. We would make 1 simple stitch, chain 3 is our simple stitch. Into the next one we would make an increasing stitch by making double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, make double crochet 1 into the next stitch, then make double crochet 2 into the next stitch, now third time simple stitch, then increased stitch, Now for the fourth time and the last time, make one simple stitch and then one increasing stitch. So you can see I have made 4 increasing and 4 simple stitches. Now from here we would make our double crochet together stitches again, just from this side, because these are 2 stitches and third stitch is together stitch. So we have to make double crochet together stitch into the fifth in 5 stitches. So in these next 5 stitches make half double crochet together stitch 5 times. This is half double crochet stitch, not a double crochet. Now from the next stitch we would start making double crochet with the same pattern on this previous side, making one increased stitch and one simple stitch. So this one is increased stitch, next one would be simple stitch, again next one would be an increased stitch by making 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, then one simple stitch. Repeat this process in the 7 increasing stitches. You can see the double crochet stitch 2 times in the same stitch. So this is our last simple single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch. So I have repeated the pattern of simple 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet stitches 7 times for this round shape, and then we would start simple double crochet stitches. So make double crochet stitches till this corner stitch, and here is our corner stitch. So in this corner stitch, which is the middle stitch in 5 increasing stitch, make 5 double crochet stitches, 3, 4 and then 5 to get a corner of heart, and then into next stitches make 1 double crochet in each of them except the last 6 stitches. Because in the last 6 stitches we would repeat the pattern of making 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet to get the round shape again. You can just use a stitch marker also, but you can clearly see this is 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. So we would start our pattern from here, make 2 double crochet stitches in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next one, and the last time 2 double crochet in the second next stitch and 1 double crochet into the last stitch, and our pattern is completed. You can make one more round using the same pattern also, but we would increase after 2 stitches on the round shape side. Now use the tapestry needle to weave this yarn end and pull the yarn through first double crochet stitch both loops, and then pull the needle through one stitch back loop of last stitch and just leave this end at the back side First of all, make a knot like this way. Our stitches would not get loose using this method. Now weave this yarn in backside stitches and cut the extra yarn strand. Our beautiful heart shape pattern is ready. So I hope you guys like it. You can just use this pattern to make large size doily, or you can use it in coaster. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.